Good day, everyone. My name is Akiloye, and I'm here with
Ibrahim, Fatimah.
I'm here to do a physics project on hydrogen. First, what is hydrogen?
Hydrogen is a colorless and odorless gas and can be used as fuel.
Hydrogen is the lightest element in the periodic table.
Hydrogen creates a pop sound when it is ignited.
Hydrogen is flammable. So for our project, we're going to produce hydrogen and test for the properties of hydrogen. Here we have sodium hydroxide and our aluminium foil. So I'm going to cut the aluminium foil. We will react aluminium with sodium hydroxide, and then which will produce hydrogen, which will pass it through this soapy water, and then we ignite it to test whether it creates a pop sound. So let us begin. The reaction has started.
Now you can see hydrogen is being produced. So now we pass it into the soapy water.
So now we are going to test for the hydrogen. As you can see, it produced a pop sound. As you can see, it produced a pop sound.
Yes, thank you. I'm sorry.
As you can see, it produced a pop sound. This shows that hydrogen produces a pop sound when testing.
Thank you for watching our video.